Here's a new trend you should know about. These videos have recently started getting millions of views. The best part is that very few creators are making them right now. In this video, I'll show you my complete workflow for creating these viral handcrafted time-lapse videos using AI. So let's get started. First, open Explore GPT, and this is GPT library. I type the handcraft designs. Open first option and start a new chat. You'll see two options. You can either create a design from scratch or generate one from a reference image. Let's start by creating a design from scratch. The GPT will suggest 10 different handcrafted design categories for this niche. Birds designs tend to perform extremely well. So for this example, we'll create a eagle head. Once you choose the design, the GPT will generate two prompts for you, an image prompt and a video prompt. Copy the image prompt and head over to OpenArt. Select the GPT Image 2 model, paste the prompt, apply your preferred settings, and generate the image. After a few moments, you'll have a highly detailed handcrafted wooden lion head that will be used as the reference for the animation. Now it's time to turn this image into a video. Inside OpenArt, switch to the AI video generator. Upload the generated image as the reference image. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Return to OpenArt and paste the prompt into the prompt box. For the best results, use a 9:16 aspect ratio, 720 mt resolution, and a 10-second duration. Start the generation, and within a few minutes, you'll get a satisfying handcrafted time-lapse showing each wooden piece being placed one by one until the complete eagle head is finished. You can use this exact workflow to create countless other designs. For this example, we'll use the animal. Type elephant, and it will automatically generate both the image prompt and the video prompt. Copy the image prompt, go back to OpenArt, paste the prompt, and hit enter. The result is a beautifully recreated wooden version that preserves the original shape and details while giving it a realistic, handcrafted appearance. Next, upload this generated image into OpenArt's AI video tool, copy the video prompt for the GPT, paste the video prompt, attach the reference image, keep the same settings, and generate the animation within a second. The final result is a smooth handcrafted time-lapse where every wooden piece is assembled step by step until the complete elephant is revealed. Using this workflow, you can create unlimited handcrafted videos. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.